Kelsey, and we're behind the bar at Central Steak. We're getting ready for the Kentucky Derby on Saturday, and we're going to make a mint julep. We're going to start by crushing some ice. Now we're going to add about 4 to 5 fresh mint leaves, and about a tablespoon of simple syrup. And next you're going to take your muddle and lightly muddle the mint to extract the oils. Get that mint flavor. Fill the glass with crushed ice. Just pack it right in there. Now we're ready to add the bourbon. We're using Woodford Reserve here. Just top the crushed ice. Now you're going to garnish with fresh mint leaves and a quick stir of the drink. And enjoy your Kentucky Derby.